So we got the angel here. We call her Angel. She is so pretty. Everybody's shoulder, you got the angel, and then you got that right there. I'm just playing. That's my mom. Look at this queen right here, guys. Not that queen over there. That's the dark queen. This queen right here. You know, like in Snow White. Wow. Yep. All right. Let's go. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful right there. But then you got this. And she's pure. She's pretty.
Oh my goodness, she is gorgeous, Eddie.
She's so chill. Not as pretty as you, but man, she's on that level. Will you turn for me real quick? You can turn your whole body. Yep.